Alright, guys， 我们来看一下这个 habitat quality。OK， 这道题我们先读一遍，大家跟着我一起读。我语速呢会放得慢一点。But they did find something that had a much bigger impact on wildlife. Habitat quality. The best predictor of wildlife abundance was not human activity, but factors like forest connectivity, nearby housing density, and amount of adjacent agriculture. The results were published in the Journal of Applied Ecology. 我们来看第一部分。第一部分呢，难点在于这个 t 和 d 结尾单词比较多。连读的话呢，我们一定要把它弱化，做出口型，不发这个音，不是说这口型我都不做 ，OK， 是完全不一样的。But 读成什么 ？But，OK，but 大家听 ，But they did find something. But they did find something. 这个 did 我们要重读。But they did find something. But they did find something that had 这个 that 这个 t 做出口型 that had a much bigger impact. A much bigger 一定要连读。But they did find something that had a much bigger impact on wildlife. Impact 这个 t 非常非常的弱。Impact on wildlife. Wildlife 你不能读成 wildlife 是错的。Wildlife 这个 d 呢口型一到位就说下面这个 life 就发这个音。Habitat quality 这个 t 要弱化。Habitat quality 我们来试一下。But they did find something that had a much bigger impact on wildlife. Habitat quality. 第二部分 The best predictor 不能读成 the best predictor 这个 of 不能读成 of 你不能读成 the best predictor of wildlife 这是错的 The best predictor 非常的快对不对这个 t The best predictor of wildlife of 偏 v 的音 of wildlife abundance 我们在这里有个 tiny pause was not human activity was not 不能读成 was not human activity was not 这个连读 OK 要稍微的快一点 was not human activity but factors 这个 t 不要读成 but factor 是错的 but factors like forest connectivity forest 这个 t 呢不能读成 forest 是错的 forest 非常的快非常的弱 forest connectivity nearby housing density and 做出口型 the 连起来 and the amount of adjacent agriculture 我们发现这里呢 but factors like 是个并列关系这三个所以我们前面两个呢可以大胆的用升调这句话结束了我们用平调或者降调我们来试一下 The best predictor of wildlife abundance is not human activity but factors like forest connectivity, nearby housing density, and amount of adjacent agriculture. 我们看最后一句 The results 注意这是复数 The results were published 这个 d 呢有一点点偏这个 t 的音你不用读成 published 是错的 The results were published in the Journal of Applied Ecology Journal of Applied Ecology of 好我们来整篇文章读一下吧语速放慢一点But they did find something that had a much bigger impact on wildlife. Habitat quality. The best predictor of wildlife abundance was not human activity, but factors like forest connectivity, nearby housing density, and amount of adjacent agriculture. The results were published in the Journal of Applied Ecology. All right, guys, thank you.